Historically, one of the most frustrating parts of late stage deals used to be the pricing back and forth. A prospect asked to see what it costs with an extra team, different user tier, and I'd end up sending three revised quotes all within the same week. With Canvas, I built a interactive pricing configurator that sits right inside the pod. As you can see, I described what I wanted within the Copilot, and it produces a more interactive version so that the prospect in their own time can toggle the different options, and I reduce all that friction. So, for example, they could select a different tier depending on the license types you offer. They can toggle the different number of seats and it will change the reflective pricing. They can change the billing frequency. So instead of having to look at all these different options in static documents, they have that flexibility to see what options are available to them and make it easier for themselves.